No changes to the price of Ardelyx stock on the last trading day, Monday, 7th March 2022. During the day the stock fluctuated 0% from a day low at 92 cents to a day high of 92 cents. The price has fallen in 5 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 32.97% over the past 2 weeks. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at 96 cents will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -39.94% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between 21 cents and 57 cents at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals forecast: the Ardelyx stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at 85 cents and 79 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, March 4th, 2022. And so far it has fallen 0%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Volume fell on the last day without any changes to the price. This does not cause any direct divergence but may be an early warning and a possible turning point. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. Support, risk, stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 85 cents and 83 cents. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ardelyx finds support just below today's level at 85 cents. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at 83 cents and 71 cents. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements and therefore the general risk is considered very low. However, be aware of low or falling volume and make sure to keep an eye on the stock during the last day. The stock moved $0 between high and low, or 0%. For the last week the stock has had a daily average volatility of 14.52%. Our recommended stop loss, 87 cents, minus 5.58%. This stock has low daily movements and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 1 day ago. Is Ardelyx stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate to a buy candidate. Current score, 1.552. Insiders are negative, selling more shares than they are buying in Ardelyx. In the last 100 trades there were 3.97 million shares bought and 6.6 million shares sold. The last trade was done 14 days ago by Rodriguez Susan, who sold 3.4 thousand shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for Ardelyx of Tuesday, March 8, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price March 8, 2022, 92 cents.